what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY fidget board. First of all, you're going to be needing a piece of cardboard. And then some glue, any old squishy fidgets. I chose 4. You can have another squishy thing, but if you want, then you can have like these weird things if you have them. You can have something textured. Oh, sorry. Like this. And you can have like some sticky jewels. That's okay. Okay. So, we're going to start by putting some glue where I want my things to go. So I'm going to put it like that. So it's super cute when I put it up like that. So you're going to put some glue on it. With my first little koala thing on, we're just going to hold it down there for a couple of minutes. You can watch YouTube and do things like that. Just hold it down there. Maybe watch at least 2 YouTube videos so it can stick down. And continue it with the other squishies. Okay. It's still drying. I've been watching YouTube for the past minutes, DIY fidgeting. It's still drying, but I'm going to move on. Okay, let's go. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be adding this little weird thingamabobby. It's really weird, so I'm not sure I'm going to add it actually, because I'm not quite confident about it sticking. So I'm just going to add this textured thing. We're going to pour some glue over it. Oh, that's way too much, but who cares? And we're going to place it quick as you can. Can't judge me, I'm the gingerbread man. Okay. Now we're going to let that dry. And once that's all dry, what we're going to do is we're going to clean all the glue off and add the stickers. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, if you are a very impatient person, aka me, you don't want to wait too long to let this dry. Okay, you are going to need a blow dryer. Sorry to mention this at the start. I didn't know it's going to take forever because I had never tried it before. I'm just doing it on hot. Okay, so if you can't hear me, I'm going to write it all there. So, yes, you're going to turn it on. So I decided to take one off because it was obviously falling off. So at least I got an extra bad squishy. Okay, so now you're going to get the beads I told you to do. Okay, you're going to make some textured. Oh my god, my friends keep messaging me. So you're going to make some textured things. You're going to pull it off strip by strip and put it on there. So it should look really, really cool. you can do as many layers as you want. I'll catch you when I'm done. I've done quite a lot and oh my god, I'm really loving it. And if you have like things that your parents let you use around the house to put on your fidget board that you're confident of gluing, sure, you can do that. I'm gonna go get a couple of things that maybe you can use too. Let's get it. Oh, I have the best idea. I got some alfoil. My friends are still messaging me about fidgets, just like, oh my god, I got a tangle. Oh my god, I got 100 puppet things. Yeah, just like, I'm trying to not press on it because I'm really eager to. So, you're going to take at least a tiny bit of the alfoil and just put it down like that. Once you've got your piece, this is very important, you're going to fold it in half. And then fold it the other way when it's in half. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be neat. Then you're going to fold it the other way when it's in half. Then the other way. And then, oh my god, they're calling me! I'll call you back, girls. Yeah. So, this is what it should look like. Then you're going to scrunch it up. So, it look like this. Yeah, but if you want to do it again because there's like random bits, sure, you can do it, of course you can. And then to make it stick, it's obviously not going to stick just like that. Like, you have to get a smooth piece of alfoil. You're going to softly layer that at the bottom, and then you're going to split the alfoil in half. This small bit. You're going to put one on the alfoil and one there so it's smooth. You're going to wrap the smooth half around the clumpy half. Just like that, and just squeeze it there. Okay, that's good. Now it's all smooth there. Okay, so now it's all smooth at the bottom. You're going to lay that down. So you're going to glue down the smooth piece, just like this, like I've done right there. The smooth piece, the smooth piece, if you can see it, leading right there to there. That smooth piece is nice laid down. I'm going to move that back a bit. Move alfoil. And now you're going to get the normal clump that you just made and put it down too, and put some also on the thing. Oh, I'm sorry for fidgeting, sorry. Just like that. And you're going to let that sit for a couple of minutes. And while you're letting that sit, you are going to, roll please. Oh, there it is. You can get a random lid and to open and close on each side. I used a glitter cap so you can go on both sides. And I really like that because it's fidgety. Okay, so what you're going to do is, alfoil really comes in handy for things like this. Okay. You're going to put it at the bottom and just fold it around the sides, exactly like that. Then you're going to put some glue at the bottom, on the top of the alfoil and all around the sides. You're going to put that somewhere with a space. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was in the way, stupid glue. And you're still in the way. You're going to hold that there. And, oh, what are you doing here, mister? I will show you my fidget board so far.